Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 "This application requires DirectX 11" error quickly and effectively. This error usually appears when your system does not support DirectX 11 or it is not properly installed. First, press Windows plus R, type dxdiag, and check your DirectX version to confirm compatibility. If your system supports it, update your graphics drivers to the latest version because outdated drivers can prevent DirectX from working correctly. Next, install or repair DirectX from the official Microsoft website to make sure all required files are present. After that, update your Windows fully, as important DirectX components come through system updates. Also, try launching the game with updated settings or reinstalling it if files are corrupted. If your GPU does not support DirectX 11, upgrading hardware may be required. Follow these steps carefully and the error should be resolved. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.